Hello guys, welcome to IK 12277 channel. Today we're going to play Minecraft. So this Minecraft, we have a Minecraft mod here, and of course we are in a village. The seed is you can search it in seed template. We're gonna do a little bit of exploring and do something useful for our village. Yeah. Oh my god, my bro, I didn't even need the seeds. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry. Yo, bro, the thing is once. Yo, bro, I think wait. Yeah, we need to give it to a pig. So basically, we're gonna go up topic. What is that? What? Oh my god, oh my god, what is that? What is that? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, what is literally is that, bro? What is that? Like, bro, I cannot think of what is that? Oh yeah, I forgot to literally mention, this is, I have a mod in my world that is a horror mod that called Don't Cry. You can download it in Forge if you want. Okay. Why this guy so loud? Okay. Put it. Is that here? Oh my god! Oh, what? Did I literally witness? What did I just witness? Alright, let's just go mining anyways. Okay, remember, alright, none of this is a troll, this is a mod we have installed in our Minecraft world. Yeah, let's go to let's go. Okay, let's go mine. Oh my god! This is why I hate skeletons. It's just my name. You forgot to mention I need copper for for our survivals tomorrow.
Sabay na. Ano? Magpunas na lang ng paa at toothbrush. Hindi naman ang galing.
Oh,
Squishy. Baka maka-invent ka ng squishy. Maging scientist ka.
okay, guys, just ignore the sounds. This just by cousin having the time of his life. Okay, so let's just focus on mining. Okay, let's find coal. Okay. Okay, I'm kinda laggy. Bro, I'm still not finding any copper, bro. I need copper. God. We need copper. Oh my god, bro. My god. Okay, first, bro, this. Can I even find copper anywhere? Like anywhere, bro? Please, I just even want one copper, bro. Please, I even need just one copper. I'm Copper. Yay. Useful thing. Hey, oh my god, we got Copper, guys. Okay, let's go back to our home. Oh my god, Cole, bro. This is like the best Minecraft day ever. Oh my god, guys, this is so insane, bro. I literally have like 9 coal, but that is enough. I want us more. Bro, this is like, did I just hit like the jackpot or something? Let's go in our home. Place. Okay, let's place the furnace. We're going to get copper. Oh my god. Okay, the sun is setting. Yeah. And then it's not guys today. Where am I? Oh, so this is a map for the survival world. I'm currently in this, in the farm. Okay, let me just Yo, it's night time. Okay, bro, guys, we are sleeping. Oh my god. But I didn't even need to be that crazy. Hey Ben, painaan mo. Painaan. Ben, painaan mo. Hey Ben. Hey Ben, painaan mo. Okay guys, back to because the TV is too loud. So for the purpose of this video of me just yapping about Minecraft horror and these mods, oh my god, bro, what are we even doing? Yo, oh my god, coal and copper at literally at the same, or I don't even know how to explain it. They're just too excited, bro. Why is it raining too? I always feel like... Okay, let's just... Did I just hear ting 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 ting? What am I hearing? What's the sound? Let me just go home, kinda. Bro, I thought that was an entity. Okay guys, let's just craft armor. Because you need to be scary, bro. Bro, come out, monster. I'm not even afraid. Okay, the scary song. Stop staring at me, bro. Like, you keep interrupting my peace. Bro, why is the iron golem literally all the way there? Oh my god. Kinda scared. Because I added a horror mod. Kinda scared, guys. Oh, Night at the Red Thunderstorm. Bro, I'm so scared. Bro, I don't even wanna. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. Wake up. You know. Coffee. Mystic full armor. Bro, I'm literally full armor. I cannot die to this entity. Where are you? Oh, there you are. I am not scared. Hey, you! Come on. Never mind, never mind. Never mind! He went into my house. That was literally unexpected. Oh my god. This is like too scary. Oh my god. Okay, for the video guys, okay. For the video, I think later I will eat. So for the sake of the video, let's explore. Uh, okay, explore. Hope we don't encounter some entities. I'm not scared of you entities, show yourself. Or maybe not. Yeah, please not, I hope not. Ouch. My god. And it's raining, so it's going to be scary. Anyway. I plan on getting this. But I plan to not. Oh my god, that magma block. Oh wait. That produce plus wait. Okay guys, I'm just introducing. Oh, there's a big villager. Okay guys, this is my friend's base. By the way, got a chest. And he got a none. What has even bro got? Okay, let me just sleep on this bed. Because I'm very literally annoyed. 2.37. Why did I even say that? 2.37. So dumb. This point. This is. Bro, that literally loads zombie. Okay. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. So scared. Okay, guys. So I have nothing to do again. Um. So this is the end. Of part one. To maybe in a few days I will post part two. So bye, Aiki 1227 1227 one. Oh my god! Now you see this Aiki 1227. Ouch.